Welcome on my YouTube channel. Let's talk about drone technology in agriculture. Revolutionizing farming from above. Introduction. Imagine a future where farmers can monitor vast fields, detect crop diseases early, and optimize resource usage, all without stepping foot on the land. That future is already here, thanks to drone technology. What are agricultural drones? Agricultural drones are unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, equipped with sensors, cameras, and GPS technology designed specifically to assist farmers. These drones capture detailed data from above, providing valuable insights into crop health, soil conditions, and field variability. Key features: multispectral and thermal cameras, detect plant stress, disease, and hydration levels. GPS and RTK technology ensure precise navigation for accurate data collection. Spraying systems distribute fertilizers, pesticides, or water with pinpoint accuracy. Applications of drones in farming. Drones offer a wide range of applications that improve decision-making and productivity. Crop monitoring and health assessment. Drones scan fields and create high-resolution maps, helping farmers spot issues like nutrient deficiencies, pests, and diseases early. Precision spraying. With advanced spraying systems, drones can target specific areas, reducing chemical use, cutting costs, and minimizing environmental impact. Soil and field analysis. Before planting, drones analyze soil moisture and composition, helping farmers plan optimal seeding patterns. Planting and seeding. Some drones can even drop seeds, revolutionizing the way reforestation and cover cropping are done. Regulatory restrictions. In some regions, strict regulations may limit drone use, requiring special permits or flight restrictions. Technical knowledge. Farmers may need training to operate drones and interpret the collected data effectively. Future of drones in agriculture. The future looks promising as drone technology continues to evolve. AI integration. Artificial intelligence will enhance drones' ability to analyze data and make autonomous decisions. Swarm technology. Fleets of drones working together could handle complex tasks like large-scale planting or rapid damage assessment after storms. Real-time data processing. Faster, on-the-spot data analysis will allow for instant adjustments, further boosting productivity. Conclusion. Drone technology is redefining the agricultural landscape, empowering farmers with tools to make smarter, faster, and more sustainable decisions. As innovation continues, drones will play an even greater role in feeding the growing global population while preserving our planet's resources. If you're as excited as we are about the potential of drones in farming, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments how you'd like to see this technology evolve. Rocket rice plant.